Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have created my own DIY nail polish, which I've called Dazzling Princess, using the DRK Nail Art Lab. If you're interested, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, also the notification bell, and also like this video once you've seen this content if you like it. So let's get started. I will put a card and link showing you the DRK Nails Lab that I originally purchased from PPU. But I'm going to start off with a suspension base that I did get from this PPU from DRK Nails Lab. And I also want to let you know that I did go ahead and purchase some from another vendor, and I will put that in the description box as well. I'm not using the magnetic white micro flakies, but I am going to use the holographic micro flakies, also the Aurora Shimmer, and I'm also using some glitter that I have had in my stash for a while, and I want to use it and see what will turn out and how my nail polish would look. The inspiration for this was a polish that I saw from MJ Lacquer. At the moment, I can't think of the name, but I would put it here on the screen to show you. But I wanted to show you what I came up with, what my interpretation is. Some of these polishes are so gorgeous and beautiful. But since I've got the nail art kit, I have the bug to want to make my own polishes. So I'm just playing around, and I said, well, let me see how this glitter would look in this polish. If I made this polish, how would it look? So this is what I'm doing. I'm adding the flakies. I've added the flakies. I'm adding the glitter, the micro flaky glitters. And then I also added some glitter that I already have, some holographic glitter that I already had. And I just wanted to see how it would look. I shouldn't have used this actual nail art brush. I should have used a nail polish brush. But so far, I'm looking at it and I said, oh, I really, really like how it's turning out. So I decided to go ahead and get an actual nail polish brush. But pretty. It's really turning out really pretty. You see, I keep trying to work with it. So like I said, I decided to go ahead and get a nail polish brush, and the application is much different than using the nail art brush. And you can see in the background, I had a mess, y'all. So I do suggest, if you ever purchase a kit and you have micro flakies or micro powders or fine nail art powders, to please use a mask. Use a mask. So what do you think, guys? Turned out pretty good. If you like for me to continue to do content like this, please let me know. Let me know in the description box. Have you been making your own polishes? Have you made any polishes? Let me know in the comments section. So this is the shot of my actual polish on my nails. I think it turned out beautifully. You guys, thank you so much for watching. You guys be blessed. I will see you in the next video. And again, remember to allow the magic to take hold and watch the magic appear. And I'll see you next time. Bye.